Hey guys, welcome. It's the morning and I'm in Romford right now. Why? Because I need to get the alloy wheels sorted on my car. Got a couple of scrapes and then I've also got some wheels which are buckled as well. And yeah, it's raining. Welcome to Romford.
A few moments later.
Back at Alloy Fix again to pick up my wheels and see how they look. And the most important thing is I want to get rid of these loan wheels that they gave me. So these are Bentley Mulliner spec wheels, but they just don't look right. Look, I don't like the way it looks. So anyway, so let's go inside. Let's see how they have done the wheels and let's swap them over. I think the wheels look really brilliant now. If you have a look at them, they just have that mirror finish on them that they never quite had before. So it is done in the gunmetal black, gunmetal grey, which is the original actual colour for these wheels. So it matches really well, and the price is actually decent as well. Now they gave me the loan wheels, so all in all, I have to look at how much it was now. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to have a look, but what I did was I had a 20% off, and that's the reason why I just jumped at it, because it was really good. But including the wheels and the loan, it was really worth it. So now everything's back to normal. The problem I had also wasn't just a little bit of rash on the front, but also all four wheels are buckled. So on the motorway, you can notice a bit of vibration. So now that's all fixed, it will run sweet on the motorway. So again, Alloy Fix here in Romford, really good job, decent bunch of people. And they did a fantastic job, and any issues they said come right back. So check them out, details will be in the description, but let me know what you think. Cheers.